Hello, my name is Yugof Olinov, and I have made a big decision. I was thinking for over 2 days, and my mind is now in the clear. For me, it is very exciting to tell you that I am going to donate my eggs. That is right. Yugof Olinov is going to donate his eggs online. Yes, so beautiful and very much lovely, yes? Most of my eggs are in very good shape. Someone will be for having much luck if they are forgetting them. Look at how nice. A few of them have been emptied, but I promise they were put to good use because my eggs are so tasty. I will be for making sure to talk to Egg Doctor and the man of law to keep for everything above the boards. I want you to have the healthiest and most legal eggs possible. If you are interested in the donation, please subscribe and leave comment with why you should get my eggs.